Have you ever wondered what money secrets are shared in the most popular finance books? We've sifted through 50 of them to expose 10 powerful secrets that could be the key to your financial success. You'll want to watch until the end of the video, as some of these secrets could dramatically change your life. The first secret is all about luck. Number 1. Create your own luck. Forget about waiting for luck to find you. It's time to create your own. Successful figures like Thomas Edison and Warren Buffett didn't just sit back and wait for opportunities. They chased them relentlessly. Edison's light bulb wasn't a stroke of luck. It was the result of thousands of experiments. Similarly, Buffett's investment empire grew from a series of calculated risks. The message is clear. The more you strive, the luckier you become. Number 2. Don't live below your means. Why settle for saving when you can earn more? This radical shift in thinking, inspired by Robert Kiyosaki's insights, challenges the conventional wisdom of living frugally. Imagine transforming your energy from cutting costs to generating wealth. It's about solving problems, big and small, and leveling up your financial game. Of course, saving and investing your income is essential, but actively working towards increasing your income is just as important. Number 3. Understand money rules before aiming to win. Money seems complex, but it's often a deliberate ploy by financial institutions to keep you in the dark. The truth is that understanding money is more straightforward than it appears. Banks and brokers thrive on your confusion, but you can turn the tables by learning the rules. Think of it as a game where knowing the rules gives you a winning edge. Subscribe to our channel for more financial education to speed up the process. Number 4. Think bigger. Why aim for the stars when you can reach for galaxies? Innovators like Elon Musk and Steve Jobs didn't just dream, they envisioned a future far beyond the ordinary. It's about seeing potential where others see limits. If you embrace this mindset, you're bound to discover huge opportunities. Number 5. What's the worst that can happen? Financial worries can be overwhelming, but what if you could face them head-on? Dale Carnegie's approach of asking what's the worst that could happen transforms fear into clarity. Accepting the worst-case scenario frees your mind to focus on solutions. This will clear up space to think bigger and take calculated risks. Number 6. Money is a game. Did you know that how you perceive money can change your financial destiny? Growing up, money might have been a taboo topic, but successful people view it as a game that everyone must play. It's not about the hand you're dealt, but how you play your cards. Number 7. The sunk cost fallacy. Imagine being stuck in a job or relationship just because you've invested time and effort. This is the sunk cost fallacy, where past investments blind us to future possibilities. It's a mental trap that can keep you from making the best decisions for your future. It's essential to check in with yourself regularly to determine if you need to cut costs and move on with your investments of time and money. Number 8. Get rich young. Why wait decades to enjoy wealth when you can achieve it in your youth? M.J. DeMarco's philosophy of building wealth quickly through entrepreneurship challenges the traditional slow path to riches. It's about creating value and reaping the rewards early in life. Applying the previous secrets of taking action, being proactive, and thinking bigger, you are destined for success. Number 9. Spending, saving, and investing. Money can be spent, saved, or invested, but each choice has consequences. Overspending and poor investments are obvious pitfalls, but excessive saving can be just as harmful due to inflation. The key is to find a balance and choose the path that aligns with your goals. Number 10. The golden rule: buy assets. The most crucial lesson from Rich Dad Poor Dad is distinguishing between assets and liabilities. Assets like stocks or rental properties put money in your pocket, while liabilities take it away. It's a simple yet profound principle. To build wealth, focus on acquiring assets and remove liabilities from your life.